Welcome to another video of Dude I'm Boosted. Today we're gonna be working on taking off the axles to get that plate welded on. I showed you in the prior video. So I'm gonna start working on that. You know, my garage doesn't have the best lighting. Have a lot of stuff in here. You know, I need to invest in a shed, but shed costs money. So I'm gonna try to work around this tight spots and poorly lit area, see what I could do. We'll get to it. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys before of this upgrade I did to the Z. As I was explaining to you guys on my, if you go on my Instagram, there's a lot of content on there, and you'll see all the stuff I did that I'm forgetting to mention of what I upgraded on the Z. But I did a rear caliper upgrade. So basically all I did was I got the Z31 non-turbo rotors. I got the 240SX calipers. I used the 240SX brake line, and I used I think that's about it. That's what you really need alongside of the adapter bracket. I think I got that from mine, not Silvermine. I forgot the name of the place. Anybody have the question, anybody's wondering where to order that from, just ask me so I can remember to put it in the comments. I'll post a link of where I purchased it before. I don't know if the guy is still selling them or not. But anyways, what we're gonna be working on today is I'm trying to get these bolts off right here. This one, these two. It's a nut and bolt set up. Let me get that off so I can remove all of that, what's going on there, and then pull that bad boy out. And because we're gonna be changing the bushings anyways, you know, they look pretty toasty. So yeah, let's get with it. Jesus, I don't know if it's just me, my bad luck, or what, but I'm having a really hard time taking these off. All my buddies, everybody else who've done this before, read about done it, they say it's fairly easy. Just twist the bolts off. The fuck? It's not working for me. So I noticed, you know what I did, I backed this up on here. I got this wrench underneath this little space, this little gap, put it on there. I just muscle it this way, mind you, away from each other. Snapped right off. There's no way I could have got the torque up here. I don't know if it's a lot harder because I got my caliper, so it takes out a lot of space, but yeah. All right guys, I managed to get the bolts out. So where am I? Okay, right here. All right, so yeah, I know it's ugly. I need to still gotta put some paint over that so it doesn't rust. But anyways, so what we're gonna do is one of these or something of the sort, chisel with a fine enough end, a screwdriver, right, flathead. You just put it right in between that little joint. You just gotta basically get it to separate. Alright, so I was able to get another one of my pry bars. You can see right here, I was able to get it into the corner, get it to separate. Ah, shit, that was my fingers. Anyways, you see that nut right there? You can see right there how it kind of crimp in the corners. I guess that's like the old style bolts that they used to use back then to make sure it doesn't back off. It's like a lock nut type thing. We're gonna try to take it off without me having to Dremel off that corner like I've seen on a few forums. But my 280, on the 280ZX, you can order the other bolt for that where it doesn't have that little crimp nut end thingamajigger shit thing, whatever you want to call that little part right here. Anyways, that's how you back that out, and then obviously you got that hanging there. Now you just pull the spline part out of the diff itself. Jesus. Alright, y'all, see, I'm uncomfortable under the car right now, like all the way under, but I got the nut off. See, normally you're supposed to trim around the little edge. If not, you kind of eat out the threads on the outside of that. Let me see, let me try to get it centered. Focus, come on, focus. Yeah, so right there, the corner, right here, kind of ate off some of the threads. I'm confident that the new nuts and bolts I'm gonna be getting is gonna just, you know, work its way back on there without damaging anything too much. But normally, you're supposed to cut the outer edge of the bolt to clear off that little sharp lip which causes you to eat those off. But I didn't feel confident using a Dremel inside of that small little spot, because I felt as if I would have done that same damage, if not worse anyways. Alright, so I got that out, and now what you do is you just carefully pull this out. It's going to be a washer inside. You don't want to lose that washer, so we just pull that out. Okay, don't lose that washer. We can put it back here just in case, and then you're good. I'm gonna go get these welded on.
When who die later?
Damn, I'm getting out of shape. Running around playing with them dogs and them kids. Got me winded. Damn. Need to take my ass to the gym. Well, anyways, let me think. Alright. So, welcome to another episode. Well, not another episode, because this is gonna be the next day for the prior video I did where I showed you guys how to take off those pieces off the axle so I could get the bracket welded on. So my boy came through, Papote, sick RX-7, man. I mean, when I say sick, bro, I mean sick. Like, I don't mean sick as in how people be saying clean. It's clean out there. Oh yeah, clean car, blah blah. Nah, I'm talking about his RX-7, bro. Clean, old classic, just like mine's. He helped me out. He welded these brackets for me. See them beautiful welds, bro? Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. So basically the turbo axles is gonna mount to the back of this right here. I gotta go get the bolts. Actually, I bought some bolts, but I just need some lock washers to go alongside with those bolts. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today, if anything at all. I just wanted to give a quick update. I might just throw this video out and throw a part 2, because this weekend I'm planning, hopefully I get to pull the motor and change all the bushings. I got my boy coming over here. He's gonna help me out. Juan, he has a LS. He has a LS 260Z. Yeah, I'm not. I respect the LS, but I'm not an LS guy. It's a big phase that's going on with that whole LS thing. And I'm not one to go along with what the crowds do. So kind of like to be somewhat different. Not that nobody ever did this before, but be somewhat different. Anyways, enough about that LS BS. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna just post this video, and then I'll add the axles being installed this weekend, as in a part 2 or phase 2, whatever, like that. Anyways, bro, I'm out. You guys have a great day, great night, good afternoon. Enjoy your dinner, enjoy your lunch. Hope you enjoyed your breakfast. I'm out.